Welcome to Diggin with Deej. I am on a road trip for Thanksgiving, and hopefully we'll get some digging in, and then I have to try to get back before the storm hits after Thanksgiving. Oh my goodness, look at that. See that? Must be a bad accident to be backed up this far. Wow. A long way. Don't you just love those farms out in the middle of the cornfield? Look at that. Moving a little bit. I'm in Ohio. That's Don at the top of the hill there. Don of Detection Connection. Looking for a schoolhouse. We're trying to find the iron signature, and today I'm using my Teknetics T2 Plus. Okay, I got it set at 70% sensitivity. Right now, because I'm looking for the iron signature because I want to hear the nails, I've got my discrimination down low. Until I find it, then I'll set it back up to like 54, 56, somewhere in there. Number of tones, 2+. So let's see if we can find the iron patch of where the schoolhouse used to be. I'll get back to you. Now, my first signal, solid 80, every direction. 3 inches down. So we started way over. Don's, if you can see him or not, over this way on the uphill back there, closer to the road where we thought the school was, but it was nothing but trash. Don's working his way over this way. There on the map there was a house and another building on each side of the road, and the road used to go straight down the hill along this tree line. Up here. Okay, I went and dumped my pouch because John and I were finding tons of Miller Lite cans out here. We were up on the other side of that hill. We did not even dream that the buildings would be this far down in the ditch. This is like a gully. See? But this is where the iron debris field is. So I think we're in the barn side, because on one side of the road was the barn, and the other side of the old road that's gone, the dead road, was the house, we think. I think this is the barn side. This is the second CCR I found. This one's got chain attached to it. So we might work our way over to the other side. But we finally found the debris field, so get back to you. Got a horse tack buckle. Some weird stuff I'm finding. I did find a mason jar lid with glass insert. Found an axe head in this hole. The last hole over there was what we think is part of an old trap. I don't know what that is. If anybody knows, let me know in the comments, please. Well, Don said he just found a piece of a lantern. So this isn't the oddest place I have ever seen a home site to be. I mean, can you get the gist of the land? I mean, this is a big hill. Don is way up there from me. We're like down in a gully. This is where all the water goes. This doesn't make sense, but this is where it's at. Weird. It's not always on a hill, folks. Don and I have beat ourselves to death out here trying to find something. I just found Abe. See if I can clean it off. Oh, it's beautiful. I think it's a snap, but I'm not sure. Isn't that pretty? Let me clean it off. I'll get back to you. Hey. That is period. But maybe it was a button the shanks just yanked out of it. I mean, it's falling apart. Don's got some special stuff we're going to try putting on it to clean it up. I'm happy with that. Finally, I got something, period, besides an axe head. That's the way it goes sometimes. Sometimes you get sites that are tough like this. Everything here has been ringing up weird. Saying it's only 5 inches deep and then you dig like 10 inches. It's nuts. It's a very weird site. Very moist ground, a lot of clay in the dirt. So I've shut off my machine and turned it back on multiple times and then started finding stuff again. So you just do what you got to do to make it work. So we only got maybe 45 minutes left before dark. So we're going to have to start working our way back to the car because we are in the back 40. So I'll get back to you. Don says he found a stirrup. Oh my, you did. That's what it looks like to me. Looks like a child's.
Small one, yeah.
Oh, look at that. It's a child's stirrup. See if I can get it to focus on it. There we go.
I haven't seen one that small before.
Yeah, that's a child's stirrup. Very nice.
Awesome.
Nice for the display case. We're still out here. Don just found a keyhole plate. And I think I just found an old valve stem. But I can't find any writing on it. So I don't know if it's Model T or not. We're still both plugging away. I can't feel my feet anymore. We're going to be leaving here pretty quick. Okay. I just called Don over.
Hey guys.
There he is. God, is that zoomed out? That's why. I got a coin. In the hole. In a clump. What's that look like to you? I want to take a picture of it before we tear it apart.
That is a very nice Indian head. Look at the color on that.
Whoa, look at that.
It's not even green. It's just like copper color.
God.
A beautiful Indian head.
Oh, my God. Okay, do the honors. I've got it filming.
Oh, look at that. That is incredible. Son of a gun.
What's it say?
It says I'm an Indian head.
1900 something. I can't tell.
You'll be able to tell that thing so beautiful.
It might be 1900.
That's awesome. Good job.
We busted our butts
I've
for
been out here
this.
like 8 hours. First going.
Let's see if I can read it. Come on, please focus. There we go.
That's awesome.
What does it say? It's really worn out, though.
Yeah.
1901.
That's awesome.
What's the other side look like?
Beautiful.
Other side's prettier. And it's worn, too. Look at that.
Yeah, but it's not green.
Wore out.
Copper. That's
wow.
cool.
Crazy.